Good morning. My name's Ayugi Tambwe-Kalala, and I am the Internships and Experiential Learning Coordinator. I am here to help you navigate finding an internship, performing well at your internship, and truly help you be career ready to launch a public health career. So why do internships matter? The first thing is that internships provide you an opportunity to have hands-on experience of all the things that you've learned in the classroom. There's a lot of stuff that sounds really easy in theory or really difficult in theory, and then when you actually get to doing it, you find that it's either it comes easier for you, or it's a bit more difficult than you anticipated and it'll take some practice. Your internship is a way to find that out. Another way that internships help you are to truly immerse you into your chosen career field. A lot of the times when you declare your major, it's not because you've had exposure to the public health field, it's really just because you have an interest in public health. And so your internship is a really great way to get you out in the field, getting applied experience that helps you determine if this is truly the path you want to go down, or if it's the sub-path within the main path. Do you want to go into maternal child care? Or do you want to go more into vaccinations? Do you want to go more into global health, or are you looking at working with the Salt Lake, or Provo County Health Department? Your internship is a really great way to get more insight on the field that you've chosen and whether it truly is the right fit for you. One other thing that your internship helps you do is to build confidence in your ability to do the job before you launch your career. Getting practice and doing the work that you've learned in class boosts your ability to do the job. It boosts your confidence in knowing that you can do the job. How do you go about securing an internship? Now, this is the question that really I think a lot of you are wondering about. Well, the first thing is that you want to come and talk with me. I am located in the Life Sciences Building, office number 2137. Come and speak with me. I do hear about internships regularly and can share with you opportunities that are current and that you would be able to have a good chance at securing. The second thing is that you want to leverage your existing networks. Who do you know in our community? Do you know somebody that works at Intermountain? Do you know somebody that works at the health department? Do you have friends that have started their own companies within the public health space that you can intern for? Those are all open avenues for you to leverage in order to ensure that you can get a meaningful internship experience. On top of that, we've got resources for you. The job board, the newsletter, these are all resources that we consistently work on to ensure that opportunities are shared with you. And one of the resources too is going to be Handshake. How do you secure an internship? The first thing is you want to leverage your existing networks. Who do you know in the community? My personal belief is that as you are getting your education, every single person you meet needs to know what you're doing, what you're learning, and what you hope to do with it in the future. This helps you be able to open up doors that you may not even know exist. You don't know who knows who. So as you meet people within the community, make sure to tell them about what your dream is, tell them about what you hope to do. You just never know who might be the right connection for you. On top of that, we've got resources that are existing. We've got the job board and we've got the newsletter. These go out every week. Please make sure that you are subscribed to these resources because they're a great way to stay apprised of what's available. Handshake is another resource that's available to you. Make sure that you have a login and can stay apprised of what's on there. Separate from that is speaking with me. I'm located in the Life Sciences Building in office number 2137. Come and speak with me or send me an email at ayugi, AYUGI, @byu.edu. Send me an email and I will get back to you usually within 24 to 48 hours to set up an appointment and speak with you. I want to know about your interests because that then helps me be able to direct you towards the right opportunity. After we've spoken, then comes the process of applying for the internships. Cover letters are another question that I've gotten lately. The Career Services Office would be more than happy to help you navigate how to draft a cover letter and to draft a master resume. That will be your first step towards applying for your internship. The second step will be interviewing. Again, Career Services is very happy to have you go in and work on learning how to be interview ready. The first part takes the most time, securing the internship, because you're meeting different people, you're looking at different opportunities, you're probably applying to 10, 20 internships at a time, and you're trying to secure that. Once you secure it, then we go to the paperwork. The paperwork is going to be the easay part. It's the fast part. So you will get a link from me on where to get started. Make sure that you send me an email, and I will repeat again. It's Ayugi, AYUGI, at byu.edu. Alternatively, you could go to phinterns.byu.edu, where you'll find two options that you can click into. The second option is going to be clicking into beginning your forms. And when you click into that, then you could start filling out your forms and getting your process going. There are going to be a couple different forms, so we'll go with Form A, where once you submit Form A, then I receive it and I'm able to approve it. And the most important thing on Form A is making sure that you've got your supervisor's net ID set up. And once you have that, then I approve it, and it kicks back to you to a link to Form B, and so on and so forth. That goes on with Form C and D and Form E. And once that process is complete, usually that should be complete within about a week, unless we have some issues maybe with the internship site. That should be a fairly smooth process. For a lot of internship sites in the Provo area, we have existing agreements with organizations that allow us to move that process much faster. However, if you're going to be doing an internship with an organization that has not had a BYU intern before, then that process might take closer to 2 weeks, because then we need to have a legal agreement in place with your internship site. Once that process is complete, then you are good to go, and you have permission to add the internship class to your class roster, and you're good to go. Enjoy your internship.